Good morning, students. This video for class 10 students. Class 10, so far we have discussed till exercise number 5.3. In chapter number 5, we have learned how to solve the quadratic equations by the help of factorization method and the quadratic formula method. We have learned that how we can identify the this quadratic equation. That much we have done it. Now today we have to proceed for the next topic. The name of the topic is nature of roots. Nature of roots, basically roots means what? Roots means solution of a quadratic equation. If you are solving any quadratic equation, you are getting two answers. These two answers are called roots of the quadratic equation. So, do we have any method without solving that we can find the nature of the roots? Means whether the roots are real, whether the roots are equal, whether the roots are unequal, that I want to say. So, we have one of the term. The name of the term is discriminant D. D can be calculated by using a formula b square minus 4ac. What is b? What is a? This is clear to you that in this equation the coefficient of x square is a, the coefficient of x is b, the constant term is c. Now if by using this a b c, if you are finding b square minus 4ac, only this much without root sign, so that term is called D, capital D. This is capital D, and this capital D is called discriminant. So that you have to remember what is discriminant, because this is a major role of this discriminant over here. If suppose if this you are finding capital D means discriminant you are finding for the particular question, and if your D is 0, if D is 0, what will happen? Then you can say roots are real and equal. The roots will be real and equal. Definitely the roots will be equal. Means you are getting a equal answer, same answers you are getting. Now D is greater than 0. If your D is more than 0, more than 0 means the positive values. So roots are real and distinct. What is the meaning of distinct? Distinct means unequal. Unequal roots may be there if D is greater than 0. But if D is less than 0, in that case what you should say? You should say roots are not real, and so we are not able to solve it, because if roots are not real we can't solve it through the factorization method and the quadratic formula method. So D less than 0, if D is less than 0, it is coming, definitely you should write roots are not real. Now the last condition, if only real roots it is coming, that roots are real, then in that condition you should apply the formula D greater than equal to 0. So you have to remember these conditions for, because any condition they can ask in an examination. So this is the topic nature of roots. So remember this and note down these in your fair copy. So students, see the first question of your exercise. This is exercise 5.4, question number 1, first part. In this question it has been asked that find the discriminant, hence find the nature of roots. So the equation is given 3x square minus 5x minus 2. Okay, so in this equation, first of all we have to find the value of ABC. So we will compare this equation with the standard equation ax square plus bx plus c. So this standard equation, if I am going to compare this equation with this standard equation, so we are getting the value of a is 3, the value of b is minus 5, the value of c is minus 2. Now we have a formula of discriminant D is equal to b square minus 4ac. So I have substituted the value of BAC over here and simplifying, and I got the answer D is equal to 25 plus 24, that is 49. So D is 49, means D is greater than 0. If D is greater than 0, in that condition you can say roots are real and distinct. So we have clearly stated over here that the roots are real and distinct. So this is the nature of the roots. Okay. Now look at this question number 2. X square minus 4x minus 1. We have to discuss the nature of the root. Here a is 1, b is minus 4 and c is minus 1. I calculated the discriminant. I am getting 20. Since d is greater than 0, so we can say roots are real and distinct. So student, this is the question number 2nd. Student, see the question number 3, first part. in this question, find the nature of the roots. If roots are real, existed, then find them. Means you have to find the roots also. First we have to find the nature of root, then we have to find them. So in this question, because the fractions are given, so I simplified these fractions by taking LCM, and I am getting directly 2x square minus 1x minus 1 equal to 0. So a is 2, b is minus 1, and c is also minus 1. First of all, I calculated d is b square minus 4ac. I calculated and I got the value of d is 9. This d is equal to 9 is more than 0, so definitely what you can say, roots are real and distinct. Since d is 9, therefore since d is 9 means d is more than 0, so roots are real and distinct. Now see, I want to solve it. I have already given the formula, quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac. So in place of b square minus 4ac, if I am writing d, it is not wrong. So because d I already calculated 9 over here, so I will use this 9 over here. So I have done the same thing. In place of b I substituted the value. In place of capital D I have written 9, and I solved and I got two answers. X is equal to 1 is the first answer, and x is equal to minus half is the second answer. So student, take the help from these examples and try to solve the questions from this exercise. I know you can do it. If you, any mistake, if any complications are there, you can mark the question, you can write down the question in your fair copy, and you can ask when the contact classes will be there. But you have to do it, because I observed that many students are not going through the videos regularly. Please do it. Thank you very much.